Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Adjudicator, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Regina Alysia and I'm from SMA KSATRYA 51. Here as the first speaker of the government team. Well, the motion is about the House would criminalize individuals and organizations who don't recycle. First, I will explain what is recycle. Well, recycle is the process of turning some waste or material into a new product that have a value to be reused. As we can see, recycle must be have a big advantage. It has a lot of benefits for us either for environment. Recycling mainly prevents the emission of any greenhouse gases and water pollution. It even saves a lot of energies. Using recovered materials generate less solid waste. And recycling helps to reduce the pollution caused by the extraction of processing and virgin materials. This is only a small example of how recycle can give a lot of benefit for environment and us. Recycle can reduce the amount of waste so that people don't have to search away for dissolved or solid materials. It can even increase economic security by tapping a domestic source of materials. Not only does recycling reduce landfill waste and greenhouse gases, but it also creates the opportunity for additional job industry and overall strengthens our company and economies in Indonesia. But what if people didn't care or makes recycle works? Or what if everyone stopped recycling? Okay, the first one is it will increase in a big mass of number of pollution. There are many different kind of pollution. For example, styrofoam. It have a chemical build-up and can cause cancer. Second, overflow and landfills. Overflow of landfills, sorry. First of all, that's right, the landfills are designed to deal with waste. But if we throw everything away, the landfill will fill up and will be unable to cooperate with this mess of waste. Okay, third, destruction of natural habitats. Natural habitats can be highly endangered just because we don't do the right action to pursue them. Simple things as recycle, reuse, and reduce can at least prevent this kind of thing to happen. In the worst case, Earth finally can cooperate with the current rate of destruction. And by failing to reuse what we actually have, we'll end up in a situation that we can handle, that we prevent to happen, namely running of resources. So, why we have to criminalize individuals or an organization who do not recycle? I will convey this in some points. A. It's because individuals or organizations who are not recycling can cause a disadvantagement for society and environment around them. That's why taking this case into a criminalized case is one of the rational ways to prevent individuals or organizations to not recycle waste. But how can we make this effective? Well, I think we have several choices. Like first, maybe we can make a legal regulation for recycling waste. And second, we can give punishment if people violate the existing regulation. Let's let's take paying fine as an example. It can advantage government, either society. Okay, move on the next point. B. I already mentioned that recycle are super beneficial for society, either government and environment. So the smallest move can make from each individual or organization, either society. And government can take a move such as encourage people to recycle and pay more attention to environment and natural habitat. C. It can improve standard of living as well, because finally people are aware about such a thing as global warming, increase of pollution, overflow landfills, and destruction of natural habitats. But hear me, I know that we cannot always push people to recycle. In other words, we have to make them ensure that recycle is needed by telling the cost of not doing the recycle to the bunch of benefits that we will get if we do such thing as reuse, reduce, and recycle. Maybe that's all I can say. More than less, why I agree with the motion this time. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.